Hello everyone, welcome to SkyySkill Labs. Here we are at Kolkata in a institution where we have introduced our most innovative CAN protocol system, BMS-CAN protocol system. So where the students will be able to access about the BMS, how the BMS is communicates with the low level hardwares and upper level hardwares. Also how the cell balancing has been done, the cell optimization is done, the cell analysis is done, and also the SOH, which is the main aspect of the electric vehicle or a battery pack system of an electric vehicle, that the students will be analyzing through our softwares. Generally, this equipments focused on the working of the BMS along with the battery packs, also which will be communicating to the total electric vehicle environment. That means to the controller or to the auxiliary components. Here you can see we have a software where all the cells are being diagnosed and it is optimized according to the system, like they are getting balanced by the active balancing system. This data will be coming in the form of an Excel sheet. This Excel sheet you can save it in your computer, and also this can be accessed in your MATLAB and Simulink. If any students want to access this data in the MATLAB and Simulink, they can. So here we have accelerator where the students can able to check the cell performances, the cell performances of each and every cell performances, and they can give on different loads and they can optimize its speed or restrict its speed according to the cell performances. In this box, if you can see here, we have different type of cell configuration. So here what we'll do, will be continuously switching on and off of different cell levels, so that the values will be getting decreased or the voltage will be getting decreased. According to that, the BMS will be communicating with the hardwares, and according to the and that similarly we can see on our display boards. Also here the parameters of the cells and the BMS can be changed through our software. So this will be helping the students to understand about the communications between the BMS and to the hardwares through CAN system, which will be helping them to do R&Ds and test the battery pack along with the EV environment. If you want this in your colleges or in the institutions, please contact below given number or visit our website, that is www.skyskilllab.com or evlab.com. Till then, me Jyoti Ranjan Singh signing off.